In this OneForma review, I'm going to take a look at OneForma, and if you're wondering if it's the right job platform for you, is it legitimate site, what kind of jobs can you find, and how does it all work? Well, stick around because I'm going to break it all down for you. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if OneForma is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. But before we dive in, if you're interested in learning about my favorite strategy to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month from the comfort of your home, just click that link below and I'll send you my strategy. On this channel, I have reviewed countless ways to make money online, including various websites, job platforms, business models, and courses. Some of them are fantastic and can help you earn a substantial income. Others can be quite challenging, offering minimal earnings, and then there are some of those infamous scams. Today, we are taking a closer look at OneForma to determine whether it's the real deal. First and foremost, let me clarify that OneForma is entirely legitimate. It's a specialized job portal designed for specific job categories. So if you're interested in positions related to translation, data entry, data collection, data grading, and certain tech roles, this could be an excellent platform for you to explore. You can visit their website oneforma.com to check out job opportunities. The best part is, it's a global platform, meaning people from around the world can apply. They operate in more than 200 countries, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals. Now let's discuss the types of job you can find and what they pay. Keep in mind the earnings can vary based on the job's nature. The job available on OneForma include translation, transcription, data collection, and more. They pay largely depends on the specific job and your skill set. For example, you may find jobs that pay around $30 per task. These jobs could require you to be a professional speaker of a particular language with specific requirements like a British accent for English speaking positions. So it's important to match your skills and language abilities with the job requirements. Furthermore, some jobs may require coding or technical expertise, offering higher pay rates, such as $45 per hour. If you possess the required skills, these jobs can be quite rewarding. It's crucial to note that the job availability and pay rates can vary based on your location, so it's essential to explore the opportunities specific to your region. OneForma allows you to access a range of jobs and you can apply for them through their website. They also have a certification process for certain roles, so it's worth taking the time to complete all the necessary steps. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of OneForma. The platform is legitimate, free to use, and available worldwide. They offer a wide variety of jobs and you can get paid through PayPal, Pioneer on a monthly basis. However, it's important to acknowledge that it's still a job platform. The potential to earn may not be extremely high. Depending on the job you choose, the earnings can range from around $800 to $1,000 per month, or even more if you work in positions that require the specific skills. If you're looking for ways to make money online and aren't restricted to traditional jobs, there are various income generating opportunities on the internet. You can explore high-income skill sets that offer more substantial earning potential. If this interests you, I would recommend checking out my favorite strategy to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month from home by clicking the link below. It might align better with your financial goals and aspirations. I hope this review of OneForma has been helpful to you. If you have any more questions or further information, feel free to reach out. I hope to see you on another video.